Hey everyone! Today's recipe is all about Maharashtrian delicacy Puran Pori with Katachi Amti. This soft and sweet Puran Pori with spicy and tasty Katachi Amti is a perfect combination. Take 2 cups of chana dal or chickpea lentils in a pressure cooker. Add sufficient water to cook the chickpea lentils or chana dal completely. Add more water as we will need this water to make the Katachi Amti, which is basically a gravy that is had with Puran Pori. Add in 2 pinch turmeric powder. This gives nice color to the puran, which is stuffing of the Puran Pori. Add 2 teaspoon oil to prevent the chana dal from spilling while being pressure cooked. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 whistles or until the chana dal is completely cooked. Let's prepare the dough for the Puran Pori. Take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Add salt to taste. Give it a quick mix. Add water gradually and start kneading the dough. Puran Pori needs a loose dough that is very soft dough. Knead while adding little water at a time. Now add a tablespoon of oil and knead again. The soft dough is ready. Cover and keep it aside to rest for 2 hours. Now let's prepare puran or the stuffing of the Puran Pori. Check the pressure cooked chana dal like I am doing. It should be mashed completely when pressed. The lentils or the chana dal is now cooked properly. Strain the lentils or the dal and reserve the water we need it for making amti. Add the cooked lentils in a bigger kadhai or any vessel that you are cooking your puran in. Add 2 cups of sugar. You can even use jaggery instead of sugar. This will make Puran Pori even more delicious. Stir and mix until all the sugar melts completely. We have to cook until the puran thickens completely. Keep stirring as it may start sticking to the kadhai and burn. Cook on low to medium flame. The liquid starts reducing. At this stage, be careful while stirring as the bubble might splash on your hands. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes to thicken and cook well. This is Puran Yantra. You can easily get it in the market or online. Add the prepared puran on all the sides and rotate the handle and you will have soft puran collected in the vessel. You can even grind this in the mixer grinder if you don't want to buy this Puran Yantra. This step is important to get soft and smooth lump-free puran or the stuffing so that we can easily roll the Puran Pori. Keep scraping the sides as I am doing and collect it at the center. Grind all the puran similarly. Now we have soft puran. Add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add a pinch of nutmeg powder. Mix everything well. Stuffing is ready. Knead the dough for a minute. Apply oil on the palms to knead easily. Take a portion of the dough and shape into a round. Coat this dough portion with some flour. Roll into a size of a puri. Take some stuffing and place on this. and cover like I am doing. Seal it properly. Again coat with some flour. Start rolling. Roll the puran pori by applying as little pressure as possible. This way, the puran pori puffs up nicely and it won't even break while rolling. Remove carefully and place on heated tawa. Puran pori starts puffing up after few seconds. Keep adjusting the flame from low to medium as required. Flip carefully. Apply clarified butter, that is ghee, on both the sides. Remove carefully on a plate. Similarly, make remaining puran pori. While the puran pori is being cooked, subscribe to my channel. It means a lot when you subscribe. Also click on that thumbs up and show your support. Click on the notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming delicious recipes. Let's prepare katachi amti. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 large onion sliced. Saute till it turns translucent. Add 1 whole garlic pod, that is about 9 to 10 garlic cloves. Saute for a minute. Add 1 large roughly chopped tomato. Add 1/4 cup desiccated coconut and saute. Remove in a blender jar and add 1/4 cup coriander. Blend into a smooth paste. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and let it crackle. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves and saute. Add in prepared masala. Cook while sauteing for a good few minutes until the oil starts oozing out from the masala. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon non-spicy red chili powder and 1 teaspoon spicy red chili powder, 1 teaspoon kanda lasun masala, which is easily available in the market, or any homemade masala if you have. Cook for a couple of minutes. Now add the water reserved from draining the chana dal. Mix everything nicely. Add salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon prepared puran. It will enhance the taste of the gravy or the amti. Bring it to boil. Cook until it thickens slightly. Here we have Maharashtrian special soft, yummy, delicious puran pori with spicy and tasty katachi amti. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below.